Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads compared to the portable washing machine, which has a capacity of 10 liters. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you frequently wash larger items. The BLACK+DECKER model offers advanced features such as an LED display and 5 wash cycles, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the portable washing machine features a foldable design and 3 modes, emphasizing simplicity and portability, making it ideal for travel. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer is significantly more expensive at $249, while the portable washing machine is a budget-friendly option at just $50. This price difference reflects the features and capacity of each machine, making it essential to consider your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER offers more features and capacity, while the portable washing machine is perfect for those on a budget or with limited space. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.